Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to enable one-handed mode on OnePlus 9. Firstly, go into the settings. Now scroll a bit down and go into additional settings. One-handed mode. Enable it. And now to access it, you just have to swipe down from. You have to take this little thing at the bottom and swipe it even more to the bottom. Yeah, just like this. And as you can see, now I can access my phone with one hand, and if you would like to get out of the access phone, you can just make a gesture to the top, or or just tap on this area, and that's going to be all. And if I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.